Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you're watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Today's subject is Machine Drawing, Unit 1, Sectional Views, Part 2. If you want to see my previous videos, please click the I button on the top of the video. You will see all the playlist. If you want to see another subjects I uploaded, please visit my channel and see the playlist of all subjects and subscribe to my channel. In last video, we saw about types of section. So they are full section, half section, partial or local section. It is also called as broken section, and revolved section, removed section, and finally offset section. So these are all the types of sections. Now we are going to see the full details of each and every sections one by one. So the first one is full section. So what is full section? When an object is assumed to be cut through entirely and the front of removed, it is said to be the full section. An imaginary vertical cutting plane passing through the center of an object entirely and cutting it into two halves. When the front half is removed, its inner features are fully exposed by the section. So it is known as the full section view. So that we are going to assume a cutting plane as an imaginary line. So now the cutting plane is going to cut the part into two by half and remove the one of the part from the portion. And now see, we can see clearly the inner part of the object clearly in details. So this is called as full section. And the next one is half section. So when an object is symmetrical, it may be assumed to be cut by two cutting planes at right angles to each other and contains the two center lines of the object. The one quarter of the object between two planes is then removed, showing only a half section. The project view is a half sectional view. The external appearance and the internal details of the object are thus shown in a single view. So in this section we are going to cut 1 by 4th of the object, because the 1 by 4th cutting object is enough to get the full detail of the object. So we are using here the half sectional views. The next one is partial section or local section, or said to be a broken section, when only a small portion of an object is required to be shown in section to reveal a minute feature. The view is shown in a partial or local section, that is broken section. The irregular line shows the boundary of the section. Now see the diagram. The portion was cutted in a particular region to get the inner details, and the irregular lines shows the boundary of the section, and the regular line shows it was a cutting plane passed into it. And the next portion is revolved section. So a section is formed by passing a cutting plane at right angle to the axis of the object. It is in fact the cross section of the object. This section is then revolved and brought into the plane of the axis and shown in the view in which the axis is seen as a line. The section shown in the manner is called a revolved section. The outline of the revolved section is shown by a thin continuous line. Now see the first object. There was a cutting plane cutting the part. So if we are going to cut the part, it is like a full section view. So it is cut the one portion of the object, and now see the section plane. It is I section. So I am going to draw the section in the revolved position. So I draw the front view and draw the sectional view on that page. It was revolved, the I section was revolved and it was drawn as a continuous thin line. So this is said to be the revolved section. The next one is removed section. In the removed section, it is quite similar to the revolved section. In revolved section, we are drawing the continuous line on the diagram, but in this removed section, we are going to draw that sectional part in beside of the drawing. In case the section is identified by note below it. This method is generally used when the section is to be shown as an enlarged scale for the purpose of dimensioning. The next one is offset section. In some objects, the section obtained by a straight cutting plane may not reveal more details. In such cases, the cutting plane may be suitably offsetted so that to show more details. The section thus obtained is called an offset section. The position of the offset plane is always shown by the cutting plane line is in the view in which it is seen edgewise. And now see the diagram. In this diagram, we have a dimensions in left bottom corner and in the center and right top corner. So we have to know each and every detail of the three portions. So now we are going to draw the cutting plane as a stepped plane, like a stepped plane, and it was cut through and remove the one half of the portion. Now we can see clearly the portion of left corner and center and right top corner in detail. So it is said to be the offset section. Friends, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Keep watching.